Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Kind of nervous, but I wanted to show y'all, I guess, what's in my nail desk and a nail haul of some stuff that I had ordered. So, okay, so my LED lamp that I had got, it is from Melody Susie. My nail drill is also from Melody Susie. And here in these boxes, I had got some nail acrylics, and I had ordered them from Nail by John. I believe I ordered his new collection, his first and second new collection. And I just have them stored in here until I get a polish rack or a cabinet or a dresser to put them in. So those are both in these boxes. So I had ordered some stuff off of Amazon and I haven't opened them yet. And honestly, I don't remember what I bought. So let's see. I ordered all of these glitters. So I got some nail glitters. So it comes with 18 different colors. I'm not sure if you guys can see all of them, but they are very pretty colors. And it's a mix. It has chunky glitters, fine glitters, and they're mixed and they're really, really pretty. And I got these off of Amazon. And I also got some pixie crystals. Some pixie crystals. And some nail art brushes. These ones came in different sizes. So it has 5 in the pack. And they're in different sizes for different details. So in this one, let's see what we have. Okay, so I like to use Mia Secret products. Like I have Mia Secret clear acrylic, and I'm ordering some Mia Secret white acrylic. But here I have I believe it's the gel resin. I also ordered the activator, but with everything going on, it's not gonna be in until May. So here is the gel resin. And then I also ordered some butterfly foil, So this is that. And these are gonna be really cute because I plan on doing this set on someone who wanted those, and that's why I had ordered those. That's all that's in there. Some other stuff that I had ordered was the Valentino Diamond Gel, as well as some Hana Cinnamons. I like these ones better than these ones. These ones actually, when I got them, some of them were already falling apart. All right, guys, so now I'm going to show you what's in my nail dust. So we're going to start off here in this cubby. In this cubby, I have my buffing blocks, my gold foil that I got from Amazon, as well as my clear Mia Secret acrylic. So in this cubby here, I have all of my nail art. I have some chunky glitters, the glitters that I ordered off of Amazon that I showed you guys, and now you can actually see them. They're really pretty. And I got these 3 containers from the Dollar Tree. Some Supreme and Louis Vuitton stickers. Some other chunky glitters. I have some, what are these? Some flowers that I got from my local nail supply. I also got some Versace stickers, some iridescent foils, and some pixie crystals that I showed you guys. So that was what was in that cubby. So in this drawer down here, I keep my extra swatches, my acetone, my Viva napkins, and my Mia Secret monomer. So here in this cubby, I have my drill bits, my sanding bands, my primer, my dapping dish, and my Valentino's diamond gel, as well as my Mia Secret gel resin. In this cubby, I have, they all spilled out, my extra long tips, my favorite nail tips at the moment, and I got these off of Amazon, and some stiletto tips that I got from my local beauty nail supply, and some off-white tips. So in this cubby, I got these 3 containers from the Dollar Tree, and you can get them. They come in a pack of 3, so they're 3 for $1. So in this one, I have my extra KDS glue, which is the best glue, as well as my nail brush, my nail scissors. In this one, I have my nippers, my cuticle pusher, and my straight edge nail clippers. And this one, I have all of my files, which I need to pick some more up because I'm running out. These are all of my nail swatches, well, my color swatches. So in this drawer, I have my monomer, some clear polish, my gelish cuticle oil, and my IBD top coat. So in this cubby, I have a basket with my nail scrubbers, which I got these from the Dollar General. I took the last 3 that they had off the shelf. They were only $1. And I got my alcohol spray bottle. And up here is the nail acrylics that I told you guys I got from Nail by John. So this is all of them. Well, not all of them. The rest of them are in this box. So basically that was the end of what I got from Amazon, as well as what's in my nail desk. A little bit about me. I am a licensed cosmetologist. And I actually got my license back in 2018. I started doing nails around then as well. I graduated in 2017, and I was just really nervous to take the test because I'm not really good at taking tests. I always second guess myself, and I got it in 2018. And once I got my license, I had started practicing doing nails, so I'm kind of self-taught in that area. And I actually bought all of my equipment, and then I sold it all because when I got pregnant with my son, I couldn't take the smell of it. I couldn't do nails. I couldn't do anything. So basically, I'm restarting, and which is exciting because now I get to start this journey all over again without any issues. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will have more nail videos coming to you guys. Bye.